Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naisa. Do you know what I'm going to do today? Let's convert this simple glass bottle into an antique bottle. The things we require are glass bottle, hot glue gun, acrylic colors, marker and paintbrushes. Now with the help of the marker, let's make the design. Now let's take the hot glue and outline. My outline is done and now let it dry. Now let's paint it black. I'm almost done with the painting and now let it dry for some time. Now let's paint it golden and give an antique look. Now my antique glass bottle is ready. You can even use this for decoration. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you soon. Goodbye.